5. Are you alright, bud? Alright, mate? Alright? Just out of breath, yo? You alright, kid? Huh? Turn over, son. Wakey, wakey. Come on, buddy. You alright? Alright, buddy? Wakey, wakey. You alright, kid?
You alright,
wake up,
Harry?
son. Alright? Hang on, next to his neck, mate. You alright? Wake up, buddy.
Harry?
He's breathing, he's just snoring, kid. Alright, buddy? Alright?
Alright, son?
Wake up, son. Wake up, buddy. Alright? That's it, breathe it out, boy. Come on, buddy. Wake up.
Alright? Just breathe, Harry.
Breathe it out, son. You alright? Oh, help me out, bro. Take it off for me, mate. Tab it.
You alright, Harry?
Come on, buddy. Wake up.
You alright, Harry? Look at me. You alright?
You alright, kid? You alright? Wakey, wakey. Fuck me, bruv.
Could have blown your fucking nose, mate.
You alright? Alright? Alright, son? Alright? You alright?
Okay, I think.
Take your time, bro. Get your breath. Yeah. Right, kid? Yeah? You with me?
Harry, keep your eyes open, mate.
What's your name?
Harry.
What's your name, bud? Harry, you alright, kid? Yeah, that was a big off. I got you on the camera as well, kid. Huh?
I just stopped recording.
You alright? How's your neck, mate? Yeah?
Feel your legs? Yeah. Stretch right for us.
Fuck me, kid. You were snoring down for a bit. Shook me up.
What happened?
Huh?
Just tipped it over in the corner. Cross-rated.
You alright? Is your neck alright?
Yeah.
Fucking my legs not. I'm glad you're alright, mate. Fucking hell, yeah.
You alright?
Squeeze my hand, bruv. Good man. Good enough. Is your head alright? You're alright there?
Yeah,
Just rest, mate. Just rest it, bro.
Chill out here, mate. You just tipped it over, you went
Yeah, I
over the
think
front
it'd come out ass sideways, you know, or chuck you over the handlebars.
I can't remember anything.
Your bike's alright, kid, don't worry.
end. It's only asking, don't matter anyway.
You alright?
Yeah.
Don't sit up? Yeah, you want to try sit up? You will lay over. That's right,
Just lie on the side, mate. Just get anyone in there.
No, man. Okay,
Yeah,
pretty
still,
sit
yeah.
up. Make sure it tugs off like each other.
You're alright, you're alright. Huh? Is my bike going? No.
Oh, you owe everyone a £5 for cutting the session early. Nah, you're right, son. You hurting anyway? No?
What happened?
You must have just took a fucking good knock on the head, mate. Just rattled the brain and fucking... Jamie. Nice to meet you, mate. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Do you want to get up, or...? It's up to you.
Just
Take your
there,
time, mate.
sit in your ass a minute.
Where the fuck are we? Where the fuck's that?
Is he right back?
Yeah, he's alright. Just a bit shaken up, I think. Out cold for him a little bit. We'll have a nice concussion, I reckon.
I'll roll you a nice fag when we get back to the truck.
Where the fuck are we?
Do you want to ride my bike back and I'll ride it?
Yeah, do
I'll
it.
take it back through.
Oh, you'll take it back, will? Yeah, come back.
Cheers, mate.
No problem. Glad it's alright. What am I doing? Am I going round now? Because my bike's there, like.
Alright?
Yeah, go round.
Come around the corner, you just back end skip down over bars.
Yeah, he's alright, mate. I think. Fuck, you sleep for Wales, he got. Yeah, you must have whacked your head because you were snoring out for ages.